What's up, guys? Today's going to be a really fun day. Today, we are going to do the VF52 upgrade on my wife's 2009 Subaru Forester XT. Unfortunately, she will not be joining us because she has a lot of schoolwork, and I kind of want to get it done because we want to kind of sell some stuff around the house, and an extra VF52 turbo, you know, goes for a decent little chunk of change. We're trying to make a vacation in December to Mexico work out. So basically I need to do the turbo. So first I'm gonna do a cold start on my Forester, get it out of here, clean up the garage a little bit, and then we'll get Sierra's Forester in here and we'll get her going. So let's get to it. Okay, so that's good enough for what I want to do tonight. I truly believe that your workspace, when it's super dirty, your mind is cluttered, you're not as focused and not as organized. That was taught to me by my uncle, who helped me with a project. He came over, he was like, no, I'm not helping until you clean up. And I was like, well, that sucks. But it totally rings true. Without further ado, let's put on our Hill Forced Inductions VF52. We'll bring the Forester in here and let's get to it. So we got that part done, got it all taken out. Here is the new one. We just need to peel all this off and put it in. Yeah, I'm really excited to put it in. I wish that I could see it afterwards. But, you know, it's okay. What can you do? It'll be nice and closed up. So, the vehicle already has a VF52 on it, or had, rather, and that's this one right here. But This one is ported, so it should offer a little bit better throttle response. We'll see. So let's get it installed. The company that rebuilt this VF52 and ported it is Hill Country Forced Inductions. Right there. I had reached out to the Subaru community on Facebook and asked them who they would have rebuild their Subaru, or rebuild their turbo, rather. And every 2 to 3 out of every 4 responses was Alex at Hill Country. And I'm super impressed with the quality of it. It looks really, really good. Hopefully the porting helps a little bit, gives us a little bit better throttle response. We'll see. Wow, that was a lot, wasn't it, guys? I'm glad that it's over. It was a lot of fun to do. So what we're waiting on now is we're waiting on the Accessport to get back from Cobb. We sent it off to them, and literally they had a 1.5-day turnaround time on that. And also, I was told that they gave us some extra goodies. So let's see. Let's see what we got. Maybe. My gosh. I'm just going to set you over here. Wow. That was funny. Wahoo. Look at that. Brand new backing and brand new screen with a cover on it. They also tossed in what is this business? Why is that? Oh, okay, that's just a cover. They also tossed in a new cord, which is really nice because on the one that we sent them, the tabs the tabs had fallen off, and you cannot buy the tabs by themselves. So I had kind of jerry-rigged some, what was it? It was JB Weld and heat wrap. I had used JB Weld and heat wrap to devise a little button system, and it totally worked. But with that said, I'm glad that they still upgraded us and gave us this new one. So let's go get it in the car, and let's go do a pull with the new VF52. With the just day-to-day driving, I do notice that there is a bit more pep to it. It does seem more throttle responsive, but let's see how it does wide open throttle. I'm super stoked. I am here, and I have the Accessport. I'm gonna keep this on here just to protect it for a little while. Hopefully it won't get broken again. But if it does, there's a phenomenal team waiting, ready to sell me a new screen and get it back to me within a week. The turnaround time was like 4 or 5 business days, which just blows my mind. Anywho, let's plug it in. Oh. Alright, so I'm gonna start it up, get it warmed up, and then you'll see me in just a quick second once it's ready to do a pull. Gotta be loose. Let's go back to the house and figure it out. I'm only reaching like 13 pounds of boost, 14 pounds of boost. I bet something is loose, and I'm just blowing it out the side or something. Let's go find out. Gosh dang it. I don't see anything loose, unfortunately. So I'm gonna do a bit more research on a couple of things to try to determine if I possibly hooked up one of the hoses backwards. I really don't think that I did. I'm gonna send the logs over to my one tuner and see if he can see anything, and then I'm also gonna reach out to the maker of the turbo, because it was making some really funny noises towards the end of it. You can barely hear them. I made a little video with my phone of it. I didn't know if this would catch it or not, but I'll post that in there. We'll see. Just keep on keeping on. If you haven't already, like the video, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification for the bell so that you know when all my wonderful videos are coming out. Appreciate you guys.